Hi guys, I'm Mr. Secretary in Welding Company, Nigeria. It is located at number 5 OMOKHA Street off OMORUYI, ISIHOR quarter, BENIN City, Edo State. Welding Company deals with all kinds of iron work such as rolling gear, doors and protectors. Here I'm going to the workshop. Inside the workshop, we have different machines and all our qualities machines for different works. Follow.
Here we have various type of cutting machines. I'm going to cut this pipe with this machine right now. Cut both straight and bending and the chamfer. So that is straight cut. And turn it. So this is the use of this machine. So before we can use it, we have to switch on the lister. So can someone do that for me, please? You switch on the lister. This machine also cuts both straight and bend. So now let's cut straight. Cut. So I'm going to cut big one. All kinds of wood and straight. So let's go to the other machine. Here we have our table to get our bending, and here we also have a drilling machine. This is another giant drilling machine. Should I get something to do? Someone should give me an angle bar. This machine is also 3-phase. So without lister, you can't use it. So we have our standby lister. It also has its own vise. Then you open it up. Then you start. Until a tickle of eye. Let me drill another one again. So then here we have another place for spraying. Then we spray our product. We also store our product here. We do spraying here. So I think it's a very nice place to spray our product. And I'm going to take you to the 24 hours electricity. Here we have our 24 hours power supply. So with this, I think we're able to meet up to customer demand. In Etiosa welding workshop, we have other workers working with us here. So I'm going to introduce them one after the other. So here we have a young man, Mr. Edwin. is an electrician that wired this place, and he's a very experienced electrician. You can also reach out to him in terms of wiring or all of that. And then here we have another young man, Mr. Osadolo. So he's also a welder in a Western Welding company. Here we have another young man. His name is Michael. He's also a welder in this company. So thank you. I think we'll continue to give you updates. And next video, we're going to show you a different thing. So see you guys. Thank you. Bye.
Good morning from a Western Welding company, Nigeria. I'm here to show you the difference between these 2 inches. This on my left is 4 inches. This on my right is Nigeria inches. 4 inches is the best because you can remove the door. For example, if you want to repaint your door or renovate your house, you can easily remove the door. But Nigeria inches, you cannot. Even if you try removing the door, you will end up destroying the doors. So I would like to show you some practical on how to remove the door. So just look at it. You want to remove the door. You have removed the door. You can see it, and it's going to fix it back. Fixing the door back. You can see that they have just removed the door and fixed it. That's why I said 4 inches is the best, and you'd like to go for it. Thank you.